Bigger the box, bigger the PEZ item, right? Let's see. Or maybe the more PEZ items there could be in there. That could be true too. Oh, what's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, alright. It could be inside this P.E.Z. Ooh. Dreaded. Ooh. Yeah, not a fan of the shredded up numbers. Yep. See the numbers? Alright. Even my camera's a mess. Okay, I don't want to mess that up. Wish that could have been packed a different way. Unfortunately, it was not. I have to pick out all these little pieces. That is not going to be fun. Ah! Alright. Where is it that tells me? What is it? Oh, here you go. So this is a styrofoam display. Very cool artwork. Oh, there's some cool PEZ in there. Oh, that guy. Very cool PEZ in this display. Alright, we're going to hold on a minute and clean this up a bit. Alright, here we are. We're a little bit better cleaned off. We're going to open it up. Oh, wait a minute. Citron PEZ. Citron box. Haha, that's kind of cool. That was kind of tattered. That's pretty neat. So here you can see the display. Got little pieces of number paper in there as well. And the PEZ would be available for sale there. And you could slide this box right into here like so. Ta-da! That is very cool. What's that, Donald? What's that, Donald? Oh. What's that, Donald? You're feeling left out? Okay, well maybe we can do this. Oh! That's one way to do it, Donald. Wow, cool. We got a metal pin, non-shadowed lettering. That's pretty cool. Oh, we got a die cut here. Now, they display really well in here. So some of them are a little bit looser than others. The plastic spring ones seem to be, but these ones with the metal pin hinge, when I put them in there, I can barely set them in there. I don't want to mess up any of this really fragile styrofoam pieces here. But yeah, As you can see, it displays your PEZ pretty good. You can set it right on top of the box and ta-da! All right, now you don't feel so left out, I'm sure, Donald. So until next time.